My people, I know say some months back, Tiwa Savage come aside. Come claim say somebody they try blackmail her with her sex tape and something like that. Yes, all of us reason as okay, maybe this guy she just want come outside so that she go get fans. Not knowing say person will talk this one to her, the person mean how. And I know say then she claims say she no go even pay she 5 naira, she no go give this blackmailer. I don't know if this talk now can go push this blackmailer before we go see. Different videos now don't they trend online. How did they give her from the back, from the front? How she said they do herself. Now they are even shocked say mommy jam. You will be sad to say you be holy. I don't know say don't spoil rich like this. But make her not to talk, eh? Make her follow me watch. Chai, see powerful thing. See how person they collect cassava. I don't want to talk this one because I really shocked. But yes, everybody they shall say no be Tiwa Savage say na her look. I never see where person they look alike with mouth, nose, even clothes where she wear. Na the same. I beg now so na twins the person be. Where be say the person want imitate so they na Tiwa Savage personality. Now the person can't decide say he won't carry. Me I dey very certain say na your so-called boyfriend the person where they hide. I don't know what they hide up. I dey very certain say na him go post this video because with the looks of things, the camera, the flashlight, now your face is there. And I don't want to talk say you no get sense. Person they record you with your own concert, you know you they enjoyed it. Why you not put your own face inside? You not tell and say, okay, you say put your face, make we know so okay this video now 2 of us. Now you see as the thing don't come outside, it don't the trend. People they even get very, very disappointed in you. But last, I know say this one go pass. Because now when Nigerian people they go they believe and say no be Tiwa, no even when they know say na shit, they go still look am. But now know wetin shock me for this whole matter. It dey very certain if I don't decide say most Nigerians will be hypocrites. Una see as this video come outside, if na see as people now they can't even dey praise Tiwa Savage the more. Now people can't even give her glory, say nobody's above mistake, the blackmailer would this, everybody just they diss the blackmailer. Forgetting say he say na a commoner, na a video come, I swear that person for don't even go kill himself, commit suicide. The way where they go don't insult the person's life, the person go regret them. But as it turned to Tiwa Savage, everybody that accept this video with glory. The only person who I know say still they add pepper for this matter that the freeze. He just won't even spoil the whole matter, the worst of worst. But other celebrities and other people, they just they act like say na normal to say na. I not say they normal for you to they knack. But until to come the video I mean na there you be mama. You get picking, you suppose they act like your age. So you go still clock 50 years person, you don't I beg if you can't reach 60, what you go do? That means you go start Pornhub company. You go begin to release other things for us. But anyway, this one will don't happen like this. Me I shall say the thing don't come out last now the blackmailer go shame because 5 naira in no go see. And you self now the thing don't come out. You see they post your normal thing, you see they flinch if they act like say it not affect you. Though me I know say it go to affect you small. But anyway, the thing don't come, we don't see it don't pass. Now there make it end for. Anyways, my people, now here I go end them on this matter. Making us stay tuned for our next story. Problem there, oh my people. Hey, one man don't cry out. Say your best friend don't rape in 4 years old daughter. And based on what I hear, this so-called best friend have been a family friend. The guy they always come their house on the regular. Because this guy na Uber driver. And sometimes in they doing business like nights go come. Saying go just this okay, make I go these people family house or go sleep for there. Not knowing say this man get bad intention, in get bad plans. Before this family go see this Uber driver don't carry their picking, carry and go rape the girl. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
The 4-year-old girl was brought to the corporate head office of ITV Radio by her father, Friday Manuel. He said the rapist is a family friend. He said the rapist drove to the house to visit and later left with the girl without their consent. According to the father of the raped victim, the girl was later brought to the house by some vigilantes with bloodstains on her dress.
My little friend that he come my house yesterday. Has he come my house yesterday? He come carry Oma computer bus come. As he come yesterday, he say he want park. So this morning, so as we want back this speaking, we no know say this pikin dey don put am for motor na e carry am comot before we come na there we come dey find am then that be latin na e come carry am come am this morning so we no know say don go rape am.
Wonders shall never end. A 4 years old upon all the old girls wey dey this world. Your wife go there, your girlfriend, you know reason say make you go follow them sleep. Now person daughter, now una come decide say una want dey sleep it. And for this parents, if una watch this video where the parent dey talk say now when they wan bath the pikin, and they notice say the pikin don lost. It means say the parents say una dey on carefree. I no even know the English wey I go use. Because how pikin go miss so tey na one go baff am, na come realize say pikin don miss. Una see where the situation don't even come land. I make a call shock as this guy rape the girl finish. He don't even rape her for house. I don't know where he carry this girl go. He can't leave the girl, abandon her for somewhere. If not be vigilantes, so be say they come dey search around. Now they come see this girl with blood on her body. And as they will go do test, now they realize it. Truly, they don't follow this girl sleep. They don't devour this girl thing. A 4 years old. And me, I don't look this man. I'm not sure say this one na natural. I'm not sure say na conji na carry this man to go rape this girl. I sure say na person maybe this guy won't go do one kind of blood money or something. They come tell us say me go find small pikin. Me I pray say they go catch her, but I don't advise our government people. All these kind of rape cases, and I know what they make and they happen. Now because I never put one kind of strong law. I don't talk and say anybody where may they just cut the thing come out. So that the person go know say this one will commit and na wrong thing. So that other people they no go even think if they know say if I go do it, they go cut my thing. In fact, to even do themselves go they fear. To even do their own wife self go they fear them. Because wife you go report they don't rape me. So government make a reason through this my own talk. And I go see say if na put am it go work. My people, now here I go end up for today. Make a stay tuned for our next story. My viewers, I welcome una. This one na another update on how Tonto Dikeh don dey drag this our Kpokpogri. And I know say recently na Jemina own and she just break down, she crack am down to show us say yes, she get respect. Now na Kpokpogri side now they don't go. And I hear say police don't arrest our Kpokpogri. Say plus in police age, yeah people wey dey carry as bodyguard. Say all of them, they don't pack all of them enter inside prison. And I go the one that say on say they don't finish this fight. What it can cause this one again? Now about the SUV car wey Tonto Dikeh carry, now what they cause this wahala again? I hear say Mr. Kpokpo now go dey track this car where this girl they use. Come track and go the hotel where she dey. And before we go see Oga go there, I don't know behind say na joking dey. Go bust the girl tire using car, block the car, say this car no go pass. And now this one they happen. Even the hotel man, the people where they turn and say this is way they do. Oga no good o. If Tonto Dikeh come, you know say the girl get crazy, she go fight you. The guy say lie, he no go gree. Even I tell him police people say anybody wey even make he carry gun shoot them the people. Now there wahala starts from before we go see. On now our Tonto she get connection to the top because me I even hear say she dey date one of those oga for the top for police side. And there she carry her phone, call the man say okay. Now wetin Kpokpogri they do before we go see they don't rush come carry this guy. Auntie go even add pepper to the whole matter. And I know say first now blackmail now she dey accuse this guy for. Now she can't even claim say oga carry gun put for her head. Say the guy I can't dey wonder when. Because two of una know they knew on herself. So when this guy carry gun come put for your head, say he won't kill you. And say all the allegations she go make sure say this guy pay for them. Say everything when they accuse this guy for, say no be say she just dey talk her for mouth o. She dey very certain say all this thing dey. But Kpokpo, you see say this one now you cause your own self. Because the reason say Tonto Dikeh no one talk, she no get crazy, now you get crazy. You see where the thing don't come land. And then people they advise you say make this matter go. Even that the free self call you say okay, allow this thing to go. You know be woman stop the talking. Now you see say now you don't dey work in the work of shame. And now people come they blame Tonto Dikeh say make she self even release this motor. Make peace for even rain. And say Laila say she no go release am because of say waiting. Say the healers wey she buy for Kpokpo, the guy never return. I think say na gift. I don't know say they return gifts nowadays. Say the money where Kpokpo they own, the guy never pay. And say she dey very certain say he get over 30 sex tapes of different people. Say that one self he suppose delete him own. So now wetin they make Tonto stand on her ground. Say this guy go sleep inside. Say Amia here say na till Wednesday this guy go die with mosquitoes for inside prison. Say they go chop am and say I go clear. And say make people learn him mistake. Make you know they play with king. She dey call herself a king for a particular reason. But me I don't look this fight. Oh na sure say this fight no go enter 2023. Because fight wey be say don start like the relationship no even last. If say na like 5 years relationship wey this drama plenty, I go even understand, okay, each year for each wahala wey happen. Only 3 months una wan kill una sef. Now una dey fight this kind fight. If say e come take, that means alarm for even blow pass like this. But anyway, I dey very sad to say Kpokpogri go don learn him mistake. He go know say person wey dey deal with she get rank. But until Tonto, me I get advice for abeg let peace reign in your life. E be like say you too like wahala. Because if you continue like this, me I dey give you advice. I'm not sure say any man will go wan gree marry you. Because every man go dey fear say if they marry you now, last sekxtape abi one kind thing, she go drag the person. Now wetin go make everybody dey run? So auntie abeg, just calm down. Dey your day. Make peace dwell in you. You dey always claim say you love God. But e be like your actions say e dey even prove say you be very very wicked person. But I no wan talk too much. Auntie, I go just advise say make you dey your lane. Make this guy dey in lane. Make everything just settle. Because this one na matter, e don dey tire me. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go take break on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story.